Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something that's been on my mind a lot lately, the real value of flexibility and self-education. We often hear about how important it is to get a good education, but what does that really mean? You see, business schools and traditional education systems often lack practical application. Case studies and textbooks sometimes fail to prepare us for the real world. And let's be honest, many graduates find themselves buried in student loan debt without fully grasping the long-term implications of that burden. Now don't get me wrong, education is important, but a college degree doesn't automatically guarantee success. Just look at Bill Gates, Larry Ellison, and Steve Jobs, all incredibly successful, and none of them followed the traditional educational path. Flexibility and exploration are crucial. It's all about trying different things and pursuing your hobbies and passions. And don't be afraid to change your mind and adapt along the way. The ability to pivot and adjust is incredibly valuable. Conventional education often involves a lot of rote memorization, but is that really the best way to learn? I challenge you to question the purpose of education. Is it just about getting good grades, or should it be about preparing us for the real world? Society often glorifies following the crowd, but true learning comes from experience and overcoming challenges. Successful entrepreneurs don't wait for permission, they learn by doing and adapting. Real-world experience builds confidence and self-esteem more effectively than academic achievements ever could. And here's an important tip. Don't be afraid to admit when you don't know something. Embrace those moments as opportunities to learn and grow. We really need to rethink our education system. There's a difference between the price of education and its true value. We need to consider alternative learning paths and continuously seek knowledge and skills beyond formal education. The current education system is a massive investment with questionable returns. What if, instead of a one-size-fits-all model, we had a more diverse and flexible education system, one that encourages exploration, experimentation, and embraces failure as an opportunity for learning and growth? In conclusion, let's not let the current education system stifle our creativity and individuality. Let's embrace flexibility and the spirit of self-education. Share your thoughts on education and entrepreneurship in the comments below, and check out the resources for alternative education and entrepreneurial support. Thanks for watching.